drive the Fanboyz Coupe E36.
Hey, I'm Graham. I drive the Fanboyz S13 with the Sylvia front end.
And I'm Shane, and I drive the 4-door E36 for the Fanboyz.
I'm Kevin, and I drive the RPG 86.
I've been drifting since November 2016, so about a year. Got me into drifting was just going to the track and hanging out with my friends and then getting ride-alongs, and you know, you get the fever from there, and you eventually start picking up a car and start building a car, and you go from there.
That's all she wrote.
That's all she wrote.
Now you're financially fucked.
Now I'm financially fucked, and I don't see the end of it.
I like to drive Nissanfest, maybe head out to the Okanagan, try DUI, maybe once Villains track's built, go down support those guys, drive that new sports land, and maybe eventually go down to Park or something like that, but a Nissanfest for sure.
Self-expression, I'd say. Given S13s and P36s quite a bit now, are definitely all the looks have been done. At least that's sort of a saying, I guess. You can't do anything unique on an S13 anymore, but no matter where you go, you find guys that have added their own flair and really kind of personalized it, even if in a chassis that's been so saturated already.